How to download and install CamScanner mobile app. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the CamScanner mobile application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So simply open up Google Play Store on your device. And you have to tap on the search box of the upper section and simply search for CamScanner. Once you do that, you will be easily able to see this application. You have to simply tap on install option at the right hand side, and it will take a few seconds to minutes depending upon your internet connection to download. Once you download the app, you can log into your account, or if you don't have, then you can also create your account. And this application is used to scan your paperwork into PDF or JPG file. You can also generate your own e-signature and send fax or email. It will be very helpful on your projects or work, and it's a free application, so you can use it for your benefit on your work or project. Here are so many features and services of CamScanner. You can just open it and explore to it. So here finally the application has been installed on the device. You can simply go for open and use the app. So this is how you download and install CamScanner mobile app. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.